If you're cutting calories for the summer and you care about calories in and calories out, you can turn the Olipop soda into a delicious low-calorie slushie by using the Ninja Creami Deluxe. It's only 38 calories per serving. So we're going to start off with the ingredients here. All we have is a classic grape Olipop soda, which I love because it's only 45 calories and 9 grams of dietary fiber, which helps with digestion. First thing we're going to do is just pour the entire can into the container, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, and we're going to add a little bit of water to the fill line. So then we're going to stir until all the sugar is dissolved. I'm going to put the cap back on and then put it in the freezer overnight for at least 24 hours. So once you take it out the freezer, you're going to add the So Good So You digestion shot, which has apple cider vinegar and ginger. I found this product at Wise grocery store and wanted to give it a shot. So this slushie, when you're done, has fiber, apple cider vinegar, and ginger, which is an excellent combo to help with digestion after dinner. This is how it looks when it comes out. Looks nice. My wife is going to take out her portion first and also make it look cute with that little cute cup. I'm going to add a little umbrella, make it look nice and presentable. Check out the texture of the slushie. Even though I chose the slushie setting, it looks more like Italian ice to me. But regardless, the texture is amazing. Perfect treat for a warm summer day. 2 servings. It's really tasty. Really tasty. Let me know in the comments below if you try a treat like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends.